In this short tutorial, you will learn how to enable parental control on the Google Play Store. Parental control allows parents or guardians to manage and restrict the type of content that can be downloaded or purchased from the Play Store. This feature ensures a safer digital experience for children and prevents them from accessing inappropriate or age-inappropriate content. To get started, open up the Play Store on your Android device and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings. After that, tap where it says Family, and then tap Parental Controls. To enable parental controls on the Play Store, simply toggle on this switch over here. Create a PIN for parental controls. You need this PIN to change parental control settings, so make sure to remember this PIN. Confirm the PIN by typing it again. Tap OK. Now you've successfully enabled parental controls on the Play Store, and you can tap over here to allow or deny access to apps and games with specific age ratings. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.